Well, it's Friday and the boys are here and they're working. So, but so somebody wanted some. This is Michael Chiklis from The Thing. I'm not sure what you're talking about as far as black dudes on the bed with their wiener hanging out. This is not that guy. This is Michael Chiklis, a professional. Have you seen The Shield? Yeah, me neither. But he played The Thing, and that's who this is. I don't know what you're talking about. On the bench. It tested fine. It was just the battery that was conking out and giving it a hard time. I turned this fucker up a lot and it was not drawing much current. The Immortal was fucking flopping around. So this is a really efficient amplifier. What's funny though is this is not real. This is just a screen print. I thought I was going to get the VU meter and no, it doesn't. Let me show you the guts. Just bare minimum. So, I mean, it looks good. Input transformer. I don't know what Clean D technology is. So, and then it looks like he might have 2 caps and a inductor as the filter. So maybe it's an 18 dB slope filter. The controls are pretty simple. It's got speaker level input. Not a parametric equalizer, which I was a little disappointed in, but there we go. Bass boost. It'd be nice to know what the bass boost is centered at. What's funny is Tony did his review on it, which I'll put a link in the description to, of this amplifier, and he was still looking at the spec sheet. It's like, okay, you don't know your own product. I don't know what that means. I don't know how to interpret it. I mean, it could mean that he just got these from China and it's 100% Chinesium, or maybe he's forgetful. I don't know. But for me, I would already know these specs. But again, there's nothing special about it. 240 amp fuses. Like I said, it was really, really efficient. I have a 20 amp power supply, and I got it up to 10 amps, and this thing was singing. So on the bench, in that video that I'm going to post, or a link to that I'm going to post to, he has it up to, I think, 900 clean, with 14.4 on the input. So it's not that it's a bad amplifier, it's just for $300 or $400 it's expensive. Now when it comes down to 180, even that's kind of expensive, because like even this, so this is the 600.1. They do about 700 watts for $80 shipped. It's cheaper than this, but right now I paid what, 70? No, I paid 170, so that's about $85 each. Not bad. I'll probably sell them. I'll put them in combos with like maybe some JL looking subwoofers or something like that, and they'll do well. But I just want to offer it as just as a flip. But I also wanted to look inside and examine these guts myself. 2, 4, maybe 6 devices on the power supply, and then output just has 2 and 4. No, that might be more on this 2, 4, 6. Probably 2, 6 on the power supply. This is not the one with the battery in it though. So again, I don't think that's a great idea, but it is a good amplifier. And it's not that I hate Demori Engineering products. I just think they're overpriced for what they are. Again, this is Chinesium. His cost on it was probably about $50. And that's, when you buy big numbers, that's the things you can get. The prices you can get, but you got to buy at least 100 or 500 or whatever he bought. I think that was about it. I got 2 of them for sale though. This one says Carlos 1, the other one says Carlos 2. This one was mounted, this one has not been mounted. So they weren't as new. Well, he's like, they're new, and I'm like, there's some scratches and stuff on there, dude. That's not new, but either way, I will sell them and trade on Tony's reputation of being awesome. And again, I think his products are great. I'm not really a fan of his and Steve, the way that they sell stuff. I think they could do better. But again, that's just my opinion. But happy Friday, everybody. I love you. All right, that's last little cut. We'll do some pornography for you guys. I was walking away. I was like, I'm done with this video, and I was like, you didn't give him anything to jizz about. You got to give some jizz. All right, so this one is moving pretty good. So as you can see, that is the subwoofer. Oh, it's kind of creeping. good for that chrome, right? Just scrape it along the cement. That's what I heard. But look, it's pulling like 0 power. It's not getting warm at all. It's very good. Good job, Tony. There we go. All right, so we raised the frequency up to 30 hertz, and now it's drawing 10 amps. I don't feel like getting hot. Subwoofer's liking that one. You can see that. It's crusty butthole on that one. Good job, everybody.